Hey guys, Clayton with Cameo Fencing. Welcome back to the Cameo Fence Skill Builder series. This is episode number 6. What we're going to do now is show you how to install your line post brackets on a wood post. We've set all these poles at 52 inches. We make sure they flow with the ground real pretty, which makes this next step even easier. All we need for tools to install our line post brackets is a drill with a 1/4 inch nut driver. This is our story pole. Again, that's what we use to mark our end post, our corner post, and that's what we're going to use to put our brackets on. First thing we'll do is set it on top of the post. Make sure it's centered up real good. Take a bracket, stick it in there, grab 2 screws. And again, I like to start from the bottom just to make sure that I'm in the middle going up here. So we'll just work our way up. We'll pull our story pole off and our brackets on, ready to go.